Honey, please slice the pie. Ooh!
It smells so good.
Ooh. Crunchy crust. Mmm. So, we made our apple pie. Took us about an hour and maybe 2 hours. But now we're finished. Me and my beautiful wife. We're finished making our delicious apple pie. I hope you guys enjoy and maybe make it yourself as well.
And I would like to put whipped cream on top.
Mm.
Would you like whipped cream?
When you eat apple pie, maybe you'll get as strong as me.
Oh, sure. You want whipping cream?
Yeah. This is part of my bodybuilding diet. Not really. Let's see how it turned out. Well,
How's it taste?
crust is good. We overcooked the apples originally, but
So good. Where's our baby?
I'm just making sure he's been no good.
He's doing good. Our baby is our puppy. No member of our family.
Yeah, not a real baby. If we had a real baby, probably wouldn't have time to make videos.
Maybe I'll make baby videos.
Baby vlogs?
Yeah,
Yeah.
baby vlogs.
Or we gotta make back the money it costs to make a baby. That's pretty good.
Tastes really good. I can really taste the cinnamon. It was really good with whipping cream on top. Too thirsty. Tasty, not thirsty.
Crust is a little too dense.
By the way, I'm the one that made the apple pie.
What?
Apple pie.
I made it.
Okay, we made it.
It's a team effort.
Just kidding, it's a team effort.
You suck on camera. She's camera shy. She's not very good with this.
You can,
Don't worry.
you can only
She'll
see
get
your,
better.
You can only see your beard.
That's okay. They don't need to know who I am. Yeah, it's not bad. So, if your pie doesn't end up tasting very good, like ours is a good 7 out of 10. If you don't really like the taste, what you should do is you take your ice cream and your pie and you blend it together in your blender and make a smoothie out of it.
Maybe we'll make.
If this is okay, but what we'll do with our leftover pieces, maybe in a couple days, we'll turn this into a smoothie to finish it up.
That would be great.
We'll throw together a small video on that, see how that goes. It's a good way to use up the rest of your pie. Good boy! Yeah. Oh,
Our puppy
what's she doing?
looks like a rat.
Camera's too dim.
Let me get him. Come here, buddy.
Yeah, I can't see him. Mama got him.
These are a baby buddy. New family member.
Yeah, don't kiss him. He licks his balls.
Oh.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching our Dupkins family video.
Bye-bye.
Tune in for more and subscribe if you would like. And don't forget to like our video because we'll find you if you don't like it. Bye.